Hello folks, so decided to do some impromptu videos. Now, these are going to be pumped out between now and Christmas on random days, so hope you enjoy these videos. So, a good friend of mine, um, shall we call him Mr. Diaz, lovely chap, well known in the Lego world as the winner of Lego Masters. He's the chap who he's the chairman of Northern Brickworks, which I am a very proud part of. Link in the description below to sign up. Has contacted me and has dropped off some things at my house, hence the giant box. Now, he's asked me very kindly if I will fix what's inside this box, as he currently doesn't have time to sort it out himself. I've got no issue with that. I've got nothing on the go right now. My Lego building has stopped now over Christmas. I hope everyone's having a lovely Christmas, by the way. My Christmas building, Lego building, has stopped for the moment, obviously till January. So he's asked if I'll make these. I said no problem. Would you mind if I recorded it? No problem, he says. Here we are. What's inside this box is a mess. It's a mess, Nate. It's a mess. I know when you said there was a lot, this is ridiculous, but I love it. I love a challenge. So I'm going to slurp my tea because I'm currently full of the flu. Absolutely jammed up with the flu. I feel terrible. Oh, tea. What amber nectar this stuff is. So, let's open this up and I'll show you what I mean by a mess. Sweet baby Jeebus. So, we have some gingerbread houses. One is to stay sealed, one is to be built. That's really cool of him. They're nice. Things in here are a lot of gift with purchase stuff, limited edition sets. So, mind the squeaky chair, we'll put them away. So, the trick now is going to be sort this all out, work out what belongs to what set. And yeah, there is currently 19 different sets in here in various stages of broken downness. Now I need to work out which one's which. So what will be a moments for you is going to be probably the best part of a day for me. So I will speak to you again in a day's time. Hello, by the way, everyone. Hope you're all well.
A few moments later.
Right, so got it somewhat sorted. Got the larger pieces I've found here, and now it's just a case of going through the booklets and trying to work out what's what and what's partly assembled, somewhat assembled, and which bits I can find easy enough. Got a large reindeer, Santa Claus thing here. There's a bit of reindeer there. Hello, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Hold on. No, that's not worked. Right, so we've got a bit of reindeer that's missing a piece of reindeer. We've got another reindeer thing there. Like I said, this is going to take a while. This is no really quick, simple. Oh yeah, throw it back together again. This is crackers. So I'm just trying to work out what's what. Right, that's the one I'm after. That's the reindeer one. That's the one where the reindeer come from. Good Jeebus, that's a big one. That's book 2. Oh my good lord. Right. Okay. I think we'll start with the smaller ones, then work towards the bigger ones. Yeah. Let's hunt out the smaller ones. Right. So like I said, we've got a bit of it laid out over here, bits and pieces of different things. Now, it's got to be said, this little train I think is really cute. Really cute. But I've got a mixture of pieces here and I've got a mixture of pieces there. So what I think I'm going to do is get an even bigger tray and put all these big bits in it. And then I can open up the tin here of bits and then see if we can't try and start assembling some of these smaller ones. And worry about this bigger bit afterwards. Yeah. This will sort of make sense as this goes along, I hope. To post edit me, hi. When we're editing this, can we kind of make it so I sound like I know what I'm doing? Is that possible? I really don't know what I'm doing right now. This is a mess.
3 weeks later.
Hello, folks. So yeah, it has been 2 weeks since I started doing this. Due to a severe bout of flu, which took me off my feet. That whatever that was, it was nasty. It struck the whole house down. We've all been quite ill, but I'm back to the point now where I can breathe, and I'm talking okay, so that's good. Anyway, as for the mess on the table, some of that got built, a lot of it got sorted. That's all been put away because that's been collected today. What I did make is quite a bit of it. Hold on. We made 4206. Santa sat on his chair, which has got to be said is quite nice actually. I do like it. I think it's very well done. It's given me an idea for a settee, that's for sure. But I do like that very much. So that one's completed. Next, we have a couple. We have a school bus, which is from the Winter Village set. Can't off the top of my head remember what set that's from, but we've got the school bus. That's all cool and done. We have the lantern that's fallen off. Oop, wrong way around. There we go. Little doorway. Characters there. That is set 4124. Got his snowman, which I think is really cool. You've got your little dog piece. And you chap on your little skidoo thing. Skidoo? Sledoo? Thingy? Snowdoo? Just do. Anyway, got all that. That's Lego set 4124. Next, like I said, there's a few of these I've made. Mind the squeaky chair. We have the Nutcrackers. These are a limited edition model. I can't remember what year these are from. So these are 4254. There's two of them. And they are a variation of the Nutcracker. There is two. They're very nicely made. I think they're very cool. I think they're very cool. The mechanism inside is immensely simple. It's just a lever on a hinge. Just whip it up and down. So those are made. There's two of them. That's 4524. Then we come on to Lego Creator 40082. This is from 2013. It's a limited edition from 2013. So it's like a little shop. Like a little tree shop. We don't have the trees, they're already in the box. Give the lass a brush. She can tidy up the pine needles. There you go. That is complete. The minifigures are all bagged up. So they're not in here right now. They're all bagged up to safekeeping because minifigures are expensive. So that's 2013 Lego Creator Christmas Tree Shop 40082. Next we have Lego Creator 2013 40083. So that was 082. This is 083. It is a pickup truck. With a farmer in it. Pop on the back like that. So this is 40083. Little pickup truck. It's very nice. It's very simplistic. I do like the red on the wheel arches. I think they're a lovely deep red colour. But yeah, very well made. I do like that one. I am a fan of that one as well. Right, reach across. There's quite a few in this one, so bear with me. We start with 2014 limited edition Elf Workshop 40. That's 40106. It's complete. We have the elves, the presents, the trains, the little soldier they're making, which is really cool. That's done. And then last but not least, it's the elves at the table. So I've done what I can with what I can make whilst being ill and not having all the parts. Because these boxes have been in storage for a while. So this is Lego 40205. That's 40205. You have your workbench, your elf. These heads do turn. They're on a turntable piece. So they're pretty cool. But yes, that is all I could make from what I was given to do. It's not as many as I would have liked, but given the fact of I've been quite ill, Christmas is this video will be coming out literally a couple of days before Christmas. So I'd rather get it back to him, let him make what he can, and enjoy his Christmas. Because yeah, he's a nice chap. So in the video description below, you'll find a link to a list of events and shows that I will be displaying at next year in 2023. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this lovely short video. And I'll see you all soon. As always, may the Fonzie be with you all, my friends. Please take care in these seriously weird times. But most of all, I would like to wish each and every single one of you a very happy Christmas. Peace out, my friends. Have fun. Enjoy yourselves. If you're alone this Christmas, reach out. I'm always available for a chat. I know what it's like to be alone at Christmas. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. May the Fonzie be with you all. Peace out. Ta-da.